Yung may interview pa. Hindi mo mapigilan yung pag-aching mo. Ano ba? Binalas ka kung kailan ka may interview. Tsaka ka pa nagkasakit. Hindi naman pwedeng i-postpone. Kasi 1 month na yung inano. Alam niyo yun. Sabi sa akin, tell me something about yourself. My name is Jenna, and I am currently living in Japan. I have experience in customer service, social media, broadcasting, and content creation, Canva and Pixar art designs, and online communication. I am hardworking and willing to learn and to passionate about providing excellent customer support. Mali. Maling mali. Ah, ang hirap talaga. Oh. My name is Jenna. I am currently living in Japan. I have experience in customer service, social media broadcasting, hosting, and content creation, Canva and PixArt design, and online communication. I am hardworking, willing to learn, and passionate about providing excellent customer support. Mahirap talaga.